Across live to Parliament House, homage being paid to the martyrs of the Parliament attack that had happened in 2001. The nation today paying homage to the martyrs who had sacrificed their lives while defending Parliament House from the dastardly terror attack on this day in 2001. Today, leaders from different political parties and MPs will be paying funeral tributes to the martyrs at the Parliament House. These are the live visuals coming in from the Parliament House. Prime Minister Modi has just arrived, going to be paying his homage to the martyrs of the attack in 2001. On this day in 2001, 5 armed persons had entered the Parliament complex at around 11:20 when the Parliament was in session. The terrorists had then moved towards building gate number 12, where it encountered the carcade of the Vice President that was parked at gate number 11. Today, homage being paid to those who sacrificed their lives defending the temple of democracy, the Parliament House in 2001. Well, these are the visuals you're seeing from leaders of different political parties and the MPs paying their homage to those who had sacrificed, laid down their lives guarding the temple of democracy, Parliament, when it was attacked in 2001, the terror attack that had happened, when in fact it was just the attack on Parliament was foiled successfully within 30 minutes. 5 Delhi police personnel and 1 lady CRPF personnel, as well as 2 Parliament Security Service personnel, had laid down their lives while securing the temple of democracy, while defending the Parliament House back in 2001. In fact, after that, thorough investigations had also taken place, and it was revealed the possible involvement of 4 accused, including Muhammad Afzal Guru. On this day, we hail the brave martyrs who gave up their lives to secure Parliament. In total, 15 had laid down their lives. 15 people had
सीआरपीएफ की सम्मान गार्ड शहीदों के सम्मान में सलामी देगी।
सम्मान गार्ड शहीदों को सलामी देंगे। सम्मान गार्ड
शहीदों के सम्मान में मौन रखेंगे।
सम्मान गार्ड सलामी दस सम्मान गार्ड बगान दस
अब सभी गणमान्य जन अमर शहीदों के सम्मान में पुष्पांजलि अर्पित करेंगे। शहीदों के सम्मान में एक रक्तदान शिविर का आयोजन किया गया है। इसमें सभी व्यक्ति स्वेच्छा से रक्तदान कर सकते हैं।
House, the whole nation paying homage to the martyrs who had sacrificed their lives while defending the temple of democracy, the parliament, from the dastardly terror attack in which 15 people had lost their lives back on this day in 2001. Prime Minister Modi there just paid his tributes, his homage to the martyrs. We're seeing political leaders cutting across party lines and parliamentarians paying their homage to those who sacrificed their lives. They are paying floral tributes to the martyrs at the Parliament House. On 13th December in 2001, at around 11:20 in the morning, 5 armed persons had stormed the Parliament complex. That's when both the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha had been adjourned. The Parliament was in session that time. The gunmen had driven their vehicle near the Vice President's car, and then the terrorists had begun to fire and throwing grenades. In fact, more than 100 parliamentarians were present in Parliament that time. But it took just half an hour, 30 minutes to fall the attack on Parliament that had happened on 13 December 2001. 5 Delhi police personnel and 1 CRPF personnel, as well as 2 Parliament Security Service personnel, had laid down their lives defending the temple of democracy, the Parliament. And after that, investigations began into the attack, which revealed possible involvement of 4 accused, including Muhammad Afzal Guru as well. On this day, we are remembering those martyrs and hailing the brave hearts who gave up their lives to secure the temple of democracy, Parliament. Today, the nation, the entire nation, paying their homage to the brave hearts.